Welcome to the student. Today we discuss on the identification of function system of tractor. The transmission system is a speed reducing mechanism equipped with gears. It may be called a sequence of gear and shaft through which engine power is transmitted to the tractor wheel. And the complete path of power from engine to the wheel is called as the powertrain. And function of the power transmission system to alter the ratio of the wheel engine speed in order to suit the field condition and to transmit the power through right angle drive because of crankshaft rear axle are normally at right angle to each other. And the power transmission system consists of the clutch, transmission gear, differential, final drive, rear axle, rear wheels, and combination of all these is responsible for transmission of power. Now the study of the clutch system, the clutch is fitted in between the engines and gearbox. It is a coupling used for connecting or disconnecting the engine power to the gearbox. The main function of the clutch are to disconnect the engine power from gearbox and when required and to allow the engine to take up a load gradually without a shock. Principal operation, the clutch works on principle of friction in which one stationary surface is brought into contact with the rotating surface or stationary surface also start rotating. Let us state the simplest case. A drive plate mounted on a transmission shaft enclosed between two driving plates. When driving plates are away, they will rotate together, but driven plate will remain stationary. If by some means two driving plates are brought near, and driven plate will press two rotating plates and wheel bound to rotate. In actual practice, one of driving plate is a flywheel and other is known as the pressure plate. Now the working of single plate clutch system. The main components are the clutch plate, clutch cover, release spring, clutch shaft, pressure plate, pressure spring, release bearing and linkage. And clutch cover is bolted to the flywheel and clutch plate is mounted on spline part of clutch shaft. The front end of the clutch shaft is freely supported on pilot bearing fitted in flywheel and other end passes through the release bearing. In between the pressure plate and clutch cover, pressure springs are placed all around the circumference. Their fingers are centrally welcomed to clutch cover with their outer end connected to the pressure plate. A release bearing slightly away from free end of the fingers moves toward the flywheel and passes our fingers to and our clutch shaft with help of the fork, which is connected to the clutch pedal through linkage. As soon as the clutch pedal is depressed, the release bearing moves toward the flywheel and press the fingers are welcome at a point in their lane to clutch cover and other end connected to the pressure plate against the pressure spring, making the clutch plate and clutch shaft disengage, but the pressure plate fluid cover remain rotating and along with the flywheel, and thus condition of the disengage of the clutch plate and clutch shaft remains still, front pedal remain displaced. When the pedal return to the engage the plate, the pressure plate moves head to the pressure clutch plate due to the pressure spring. Thank you.